Hello everyone. This application is all about CRM duplicates. CRM Lead Duplicate, the Odoo app offers a solution for managing the duplication in customer relationship management and contacts within the Odoo platform. This Odoo app enables user to designate specific fields that are permitted to have duplicate entries, allowing the flexibility in data management. In addition, user can identify and specify the particular criteria that serve as a criteria to prevent duplication. Ensuring a simplified and accurate CRM and contact database, this app functionality enhances the efficiency of data organization and helps maintain data integrity by allowing internal duplicates in those chosen fields while actively preventing duplicates in the specified area. This is for Odoo 16 Enterprise version, and now I will show how this application will be working. First, I'll go to the CRM module. Inside the CRM module, I'll go to the configuration settings. So here in the inside setting, you can see there is a section called CRM duplicates where you can see all these fields will be there. So based on in leads and opportunity, select field duplicates. So based on this, in the leads and opportunity of the CRM module, which duplicates need to be not duplicated, you can put the field here. So if you click on this field, you will be able to see all the field name that will be available in the CRM module. So based on that, you can add add here the names. That is, you can select the campaign or city or country or like that you can select, and here I'm giving mobile and the phone number. If mobile or phone number is duplicated, then let us know the duplicates. And here, do not allow selected field duplicate in lead and opportunity. So which should not be duplicated, that is email ID should be not duplicated, phone can be duplicated, so that we can give here the field name. Similarly, we have this for a contact also. So in the contact also, which allows to select the duplicate in the contact, that is email, and which do not, that is mobile number I have given. And then you need to tick this boolean for consider only without parent as duplicate. So once this configuration is completed, I will save this configuration and I will go to the leads, that is CRM leads. So here in the leads, I will be selecting any one of the product, that is custom desk 100 pieces. If this particular custom desk 100 pieces is already available, then you will be able to see here the duplicates. So now I will create the same product without an email ID. So I'll create this new product and I will give the probability and I'll give the customer name here, and with all these information I will save this. So now it got saved because there is no email ID given as same to other CRM module. So here you can see there is 9 similar leads and 2 duplicates. If you click on 9 similar leads, you will be able to see this particular module. So if you want to do the changes in the email ID, I'll go back to here and I will click on 9 similar leads, and here I will select this particular mail ID from one of the contact, and here I will come back and I will add this email ID and save this. So while saving this, you will get this validation error. That is, update is not possible. Restricted female email is email from. So restricted fields is this in this particular database. So you will be able to see this error pop up so that you can't give the same email ID. So based on this, you can give for whichever field there is a duplication, you will be able to see this in the customer desk. You can see there is 2 duplicates and 9 similar leads. Now I will go to the pipeline. So here in the pipeline, I will give a filter. That is, here you will be able to see there is a potential duplicates. Clicking on potential duplicates, you will be seeing whatever the duplicates will be there, you will be able to see here. Clicking on this, you will see one similar lead, one duplicate. So here you will be able to see all this information. And if I come to the list view, here you will be able to see a new column called duplicate count. So here in this column, you will be able to see how much is duplicated for this particular opportunity through this email ID. So here you can see there is a duplicate count 332, and for no duplication it is 0. So this will be shown here in the duplicate count of the list view of this pipeline. And next I will go to the contact module. Similarly, this will be applicable for contact also. So here in this contact module, you will be able to see a duplicate. So I'll filter by this potential duplicates. So here you will be able to see there is a duplication of this particular contacts. If I want to create a new contact with the same mobile number, since we have given the application, the duplicates will be found by mobile number. I will be creating this duplicate since I'm getting the same error that, oops, update is not possible, restricted field is mobile. So if any mobile is already present and if you want to update that or create a new, then you will get this validation error since we have given that in the configuration. So based on this, in the contact module also, whichever the contact you want to be duplicated the count, then you will be able to fetch that fields, and here you will be able to see all these things. And if I go to the list view, I'll remove this and I will go to the list view. So here I will filter by the potential duplicates. So here you will see all the potential duplicates, and here you can see there is a duplicate count also put up here. So all these duplicate count will be shown here in this particular list view. And if you don't want to visible this duplicate count for all the users, then we have an option for that. So again, I will go to the CRM configuration settings, and here you will be able to see there is a visibility view option, that is do not show in CRM duplicate count, that is tree and Kanban view. So if you don't want to do it in CRM and contact module, you can tick all these three information and you can save this. So once this configuration is enabled and once you will be saving, if I come to the my pipeline and if I go to the list view, here you will be not able to see that duplicate count in this particular list view. So here you can see this is ticked, but here you will be not able to see this duplicate count. It will be 0 for all the users since we have given that visibility option. Similarly, if I go to the contact module and I'll go to the list view, here also you will be able to see this duplicate count will be 0 since we have given this visibility. It should be only show for few of the users. So when that particular configuration is enabled, this duplicate count will be not seen for any of the users in this particular database. So this is regarding the CRM duplicate. So whichever the fields is required to be duplicated or it should not be duplicated, you can decide and put up in the configuration list. So if you have any query, then please note down and comment in the below query section. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.